everyone, I am Shishir Acharya, an ACCA professional level student from Nepal. I have been preparing for my ACCA exams with Vertex Learning Solution and I would love to share a bit about my experience. I started my journey with Vertex from the skills level where I have studied PM, FM and FR. Further, I continued with SPR and AFM at the professional level. I am really proud to say that I passed all of them on the very first attempt. Honestly, the overall learning experience with Vertex has been excellent for me. The course content was concise, well organized and focused exactly on what's needed for the exam. The lecture videos are also short, easy to focus and make complex topic much easier to understand. I also like how they included all the chapter-wise quizzes and mock exam, which really helped me to track my progress before the exam and make me confident before the real exam. Another thing that I love about Vertex is the weekly live session. This weekly live session allows two-way communication between tutor and student, where we can ask questions, clear our doubt, and get instant response from the tutor. The tutor support is also amazing too, as they are easily reachable on the WhatsApp. The tutor marks our assignment and give personalized feedback, which is very important to identify and improve our weakness before the real exam. The online platform is also very user-friendly, where I can plan my study schedule and track the progress directly through the Vertex app. For me, the most appreciated thing about Vertex is its affordability. Vertex makes the high-quality ACCA learning accessible to many students like me without compromising in quality. If you are serious about passing your ACCA exams and want a platform that truly supports you in your every step, then Vertex Learning Solution is one of the best decisions that you can make. Thank you, Vertex, for making my ACCA journey more enjoyable.